What's up, everybody? King of FOMO here, coming at you with your daily crypto update. Make sure you follow me over there on Telegram, t.me/kingoffomo1, as well as my website, kingoffomo.com, particularly my altcoin alerts. We are going to be talking about resurrection altcoins in Uniswap today, coins brought back from the dead. Usually, most of the time when I tell you guys about these altcoins, these Uniswap gems, they're already up like 50%, 100%, 200%. So today I want to focus on some coins that might actually make some major gains in the long term, as opposed to things that are already up really high. And there's two coins in particular that I want to talk about today, and they're both fairly new, even though they're dumped a little bit today. So I think that it's a really good opportunity to pick them up. If they do take off, you're putting yourself in a very safe position, because if it goes back down, the loss that you're going to take is going to be less because it's already down as it is. So before I talk about that, though, I do want to give a correction from my last video. I kind of got excited and overexcited about this FO tokens thing. So what I am going to do, I am going to continue to support the FO tokens platform, but I kind of went against the title of my video and what I was talking about. And the title was "Good Things Come to Those Who Wait." So what I said was I was going to be done with my other project, which was ETH Diamond, because it wasn't performing well and there were some issues with the website. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to support both. I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. And what I did, you'll see here that for the FO tokens, if I scroll ahead a little bit here, ETH Diamond had 27 Ethereum in it before. If you guys know how P3D contracts work, the more Ethereum that goes in the contract, and respectively percentage-wise, the more Ethereum you're going to earn in it. So ETH Diamond had 27 ETH in it when I made this video a few hours ago, and right now I did put 15 ETH just to support my supporters in this contract. Now it's up to 42, and I'm going to continue to dump some of my profits in here over time. And the same case is true with the FO tokens. So if we go back, the FO tokens was at 87 Ethereum when I made the video a few hours ago, and right now it is sitting at 129 Ethereum, which is fantastic. I chucked in 10 or 11 Ethereum in here as well, and I'm going to support both because it's not a competition to me. I want people to win no matter what, whether you're in FO tokens, Ethereum Diamond, Ethereum Gold, Gun DJ. I want everybody to be successful in the end of the day. So let's go ahead and move on and talk about the coins of the day. And those coins are going to be, well, there's two of them. There's YF Link, which is a pretty new coin. It works similarly to YFI, or the Yield Finance token, except this one is including Chainlink in it as well, as in terms of when it's looking at all the trades of all the coins that it's invested in. If Chainlink is going up, then YF Link should correlate and go up as well. I'm not actually 100% clear on how some of these yield tokens work in the back end, but I do know that what they can generate, the profits they can generate, can be quite a lot, especially when you're looking at tokens like YFI, which is currently at $6,000 the last time I checked, and you could have bought that thing pretty cheap at a couple $100s a piece when it first launched. So YFI or YF Link or YFL can potentially do the same thing. Right now, we're looking at YFL at a negative 38%. So again, I'm trying to show you guys a little bit of a different thing, some coins that can go up a pretty significant amount, even if they don't go up a lot compared to when a lot of other people purchased. So it's $143. It's only been out for a few days, so you can see the 24-hour chart is 38%. If I go out 7 days, I think this thing launched on August 9th, so maybe that's 3 or 4 days depending on when you're watching this, and it's approaching its low. So it's high risk because I think the team is anonymous. You guys can check out the website. Some other issues is the fact that I don't know if they locked their liquidity in. So with those two things added together, I'm not going to go super crazy with YF Link, but I am going to chuck a couple of Ethereum in there because if things do turn out the way that they are looking like, if they're positive, then we can see this coin price go up quite a lot from 143. I've seen it happen with YFI in the past as well. Some other things that you can take a look at as my internet is failing right here is the holders of YF Link. It's a pretty even spread. You guys will have to check this out on your own because my internet seems to be dead at the current moment, but there seems to be a pretty even amount of holders if you guys check. So that's something that I'm looking at. I'm making sure that the liquidity cannot just be pulled out by one particular person. And with YFL, that's the case. The case is true for that one. The other coin that I want to talk about is the AGA token. So what this token is another yield type of token. And I'm telling you guys, like, the bull market is happening right in front of your eyes. If you're just holding Bitcoin, you're not holding these DeFi coins, you're missing out. So with the AGA token, again, you're getting an annual percent yield of up to 60%, and it's a governance token, which means that people can vote on what's happening with AGA. Even if, like, I don't have a full grasp and understanding of what these DeFi tokens are doing, I know that they're taking over the space, and I know that a lot of what they're doing together to kind of put together rewards for trading and just working with DeFi in general. It's a very profitable opportunity that I don't want to miss out on, even though I don't fully understand it. So you guys can read up on AGA. Now, the positives with AGA is it seems like it does have a public team. I have to look into this a little bit more to make sure these people are 100% real, but it does seem to have a public team, which is a big deal to me. You know, because there can be so many projects that can just be brought up out of nowhere, and because projects can just be abandoned even if they're being worked on for months or weeks, having a public team is a big deal. So I'm going to be looking into these people a little bit more, and they have a pretty sophisticated looking website and a pretty good community as well. So now if we take a look at the AGA token, it looks like it had a super huge major pump all the way up to about $73. I'm not sure what happened there, maybe some liquidity issues, but if we zoom in and we get rid of that giant candle, that outlier right there, we can see that it's at a kind of a low point right now at about $1.07. So I can definitely see that increasing over time. I wish I had the Uniswap chart up, but it is a certain amount of percentage. It's at a lower percentage than it was the day before, so it's one of the lower Uniswap coins, which is again one of the reasons why I'm bringing these things to you guys. So again, the two tokens that I'm taking a look at that I purchased and I purchased more of this AGA token compared to the YF Link token, just because of the fact, like I said, they have more transparency, they have a team running it, and the only negative that I have, and I don't have this pulled up, is the liquidity. I can't tell. Oh, they also locked their liquidity, so I asked in Telegram, so they locked their liquidity with Unicrypt, which is another coin that's low, by the way, so you might want to take a look at that one as well. But they locked their liquidity with Unicrypt, which is a big deal. I just got rugged the other day, and liquidity was pulled from the BRR token, so again, important factor with that. And the team looks solid overall. This is another coin that is brand spanking new. So if we go look at Chartex and look at the first candle right here, this was on July 20th. So it's only been out for maybe 20 days so far. And like I said, when we're looking at these down days, these are the days that I'm trying to really scoop up some of these coins that have potential. But that is everything for today, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to give you guys those quick updates on those coins to take a look at. Hopefully we'll find some more solid stuff later on. Of course, I'm still supporting things like SBTC, RMPL, AMPL, and a few other things that I've talked about. But of course, on my website, I will have the links in particular to ETH Diamond, as well as the FO token, or the family owned token, right down here if you guys want to check them out. I'm not going to put them in the description, but like I said, if you guys are familiar with these P3D type of contracts and you saw that Gandichi is currently at $10 million and these are currently at, I don't know, maybe a couple $1,000s, there is a lot of profit to potentially be made. And I guess some other things that people were noting, I know that I might have lost the trust from a lot of people because I did say that I was selling my ETH Diamond tokens, but I did change my mind. I am going to stay with it. There's no point in me completely in selling 100% of everything and jumping into the next project, because that's exactly what I don't like to see from these types of P3D coins, is when you have one come up and then it just dies and then replaced with another one, and it dies and replaced with another one. So I'm going to support both the FO token and ETH Diamond as well. And just, try and take this as long as possible. And even other, P3D contracts, like I think Ethereum Bank is another one that went up to 4,000 Ethereum. So it just needs support from community. Now here, I also have a Telegram channel. Everything's really just set up. The only thing that doesn't work for ETH Diamond, if you guys are interested in signing up for this or in trying this out, is if you do go to the website, you actually need to enable MetaMask yourself. And I don't know how to fix that. So if any developers are out there who knows how to automatically have the website check for MetaMask, let me know. But in order to actually fix this, if you click on your MetaMask and then you go to the top 3 lines, there's going to be an option for it's going to say not connected. So click on where it says not connected, and then you can manually connect to the website. So that's something that you can do. So let me just go ahead and connect MetaMask with YF link. So right here where it says connected, you need to manually connect it by clicking on that and then enabling ETH Diamond. So that's the only workaround that I have for that. If you guys are wondering why isn't it connecting, what is it saying about generating wallets, that kind of thing. Hopefully I'll get that fixed, because I know that extra step is it's a hurdle that's too much for a lot of people. All right guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Peace out.